The dust sensor in your Tineco vacuum is a smart component that monitors the amount of dust being vacuumed and automatically adjusts suction power for optimal cleaning performance. The dust sensor is typically located inside the dustbin assembly. It works by detecting the amount of debris passing through and sends signals to adjust the vacuum's performance accordingly. When the dust sensor malfunctions, your vacuum will typically display a specific warning symbol or show a blinking light on the display screen. This is your first indication that something needs attention. When the sensor malfunctions, the vacuum cannot properly adjust its suction power, which means it may not clean effectively or may waste battery power by running at incorrect settings. The most common causes of dust sensor malfunction include dirty filters that restrict airflow, blockages in the dustbin or air inlets, and improper installation of the dustbin assembly. Before attempting complex repairs, always start by checking these basic issues first. Most dust sensor problems can be resolved through simple cleaning and maintenance procedures. Start your troubleshooting by checking if the dustbin is properly installed, looking for any visible blockages, and examining the condition of your filters. These simple checks often reveal the source of the problem. Taking a systematic approach to identifying the problem will save you time and prevent unnecessary disassembly of your vacuum. Most sensor issues have simple solutions. First, ensure the dustbin is properly installed. Remove the dustbin completely and then reinstall it correctly to ensure proper connection. Clean the dustbin filter thoroughly with water. This is crucial. The filter must be completely dry before reinstalling, as a wet filter can damage the motor. Empty the dustbin completely and inspect all air pathways. Check the air inlet, power brush, tube, and motor inlet and outlet for any blockages that could disrupt airflow. Locate and clean the dust sensor itself. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe away any accumulated dust or debris from the sensor. Be careful not to damage this sensitive component. If the dust sensor malfunction persists after completing all these cleaning steps, contact Tineco customer support for further assistance and professional troubleshooting.